Hi, I'm Stacy with Venture Accelerator Partners, and today we're going to be talking about the importance of web analytics and growing your business. We're going to be talking about web analytics and how they're so important for small businesses. A lot of small business owners wear many hats, and web analytics and data are often forgotten about. When you're trying to manage growing your business, social media, any legalities or staffing, this often gets pushed down to the bottom of the list in terms of importance. But with many of our clients that we find, they're unaware of the importance of web analytics and how much data can impact their business. So today we're going to explore why website analytics are important and how they can help you grow your business. So what are web analytics? This is a very common question that we get asked often, and it's very simple. Web analytics are a data point and include reporting on how visitors are visiting your website and how they're behaving on your website. One of the most common tools in tracking website analytics is Google Analytics. Through these analytics, you can understand who your visitors are, where they are located, how they landed to your website, and what drove them there, what content is the most popular, what actions they're taking on your website, and all of this information is super important in helping you grow your business. Understanding these metrics will help make necessary adjustments. For example, adding more call to action buttons, sign up forms, or resource links. And it helps you ensure that you're producing content that your visitors will be drawn to and interact with. Bounce rate. Bounce rate is the percentage of visitors to a particular website who navigate away from the site after only viewing a page. The bounce rate can be measured at a page and a site level. And this is really important for you to understand. But what makes a good or bad bounce rate? A bounce rate of 40% or lower is considered good. If you see that percentage between 40 and 70%, that is the average, where anything above 70% is considered a high bounce rate. If you're seeing a high bounce rate, this could be an indication that there's an issue with your website or your page. It could be that something's broken, or it could just be that the content on that page isn't very engaging. So this is where you can make necessary adjustments to give your visitors the best experience possible. So in conclusion, it's important to understand that web analytics are unique to your business. When you're talking to other small business owners about their web analytics, they're going to have a different outlook because their business goals are likely going to be different. So it's important to understand how your web analytics can work for you and what you're trying to achieve. These data points can help you make strategic business decisions. And focusing on one or two analytics will not get you anywhere. Where focusing on all of these analytics might be overwhelming. Just make sure that you're focusing on the right analytics for business and that align with your objectives. And let the data from your website analytics guide you in growing your business. If you're looking for any additional support on this topic or any other marketing aspects of your business, you can connect with us at vapartners.ca.